Hey everyone, we're making this delicious avocado toast breakfast salad bowl. Are you ready for this? Okay, I'm gonna show you not only how to make this delicious salad, but also how to make these fun little mini avocado rose toasts. So stay tuned, let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is hard boil our eggs. So add the eggs to a small saucepan where you can at least cover them by an inch of water. I always like to make a few at a time. Bring that water to a boil, cover it, remove it from the heat and let it stand for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, transfer the eggs to a bowl of ice water. Did you know that you can easily and quickly test an egg for freshness just using a tall glass of water? So just go ahead and drop that egg carefully into the tall glass of water. If it floats towards the top, you probably don't want to eat that egg. If it's below that, it's good to go. Just a quick, easy way to test your eggs for freshness. Okay, so now it's time to get that salad tossed. Yeah, I said what I said. Let's get to it. So just add that spring mix to a large mixing bowl, along with the radishes. I like the Easter ones for color. Our Persian cucumbers, the cherry tomatoes, the green onion, and the chopped cilantro. Just go ahead and add all that to a mixing bowl. We're gonna add in our olive oil and then salt and pepper it to taste. We're gonna toss everything until it's nicely coated. Take the salad mixture and divide it into 2 servings. So here's how to source salad greens, because salad greens is one of the easiest things to go bad quickly. So what you wanna do is when you bring them home, transfer them to a firm, airtight container. So if you got like a bag salad, make sure that airtight container is lined with paper towels, add in the salad mixture, that'll absorb any extra water, and those salad greens will last up to 2 times longer. If you have fresh cilantro, just store it like cut flowers. Put it in a glass of water, put it in the fridge. You might have to put a bag over the cilantro leaves. They can be a little on the tender side, so sometimes they'll wilt if they're not covered. But stored that way, fresh cilantro will last at least twice as long. Okay, so now we're gonna make our avocado roses. This is a little tricky, so you might wanna watch it before you try to make it. Watch it all the way through. So you wanna take your avocado, half it and pit it. You'll have 2 halves of an avocado. You wanna peel off the peel from the avocado so you just have the flesh left. And then take that flesh and you're gonna just take a knife and cut really, really thin slices of the avocado, just cutting it widthwise. Do that the whole way. We're gonna take half of that avocado, set it aside. So now you have half of an avocado. You have a quarter of the avocado that's cut into slices. Take that part that's cut into slices and just stretch it out so it makes a really kind of long strip, like end to end. Just stretch it out. And then from one end, roll the avocado inward all the way to the other side until you form this sort of rosebud. If you want, depending on how ripe the avocado is, you can kind of press the tops down a little bit to make it look like an open rose. When you're done with this, you should have 8 of those avocado roses. Okay, so we have our toast. We want to take the toast with have the crust cut off, and we're going to cut the toast into 4 equal pieces, each piece of toast, so you'll have 8 pieces total at the end. And we're just going to take those avocado roses and put them on top of the toast. So you're going to have these little mini avocado toasts made with the avocado rose. Take the avocado toasts, add them to the salad. Go ahead and peel your hard-boiled eggs and just slice the egg in half, add a full egg to each salad, and just top it off with salt and pepper to taste, and boom, look at this delicious and beautiful avocado toast breakfast salad. I mean, what a way to have breakfast, right? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. And I release new recipes every single week, so if you like to cook like I do, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.